everyone, my name is Debbie. I have been reselling online for over 16 years, and today I have a ThredUP unboxing. I bought a mystery box of 15 pairs of shoes. I ordered it on Thursday. It was $90 and it arrived today on Monday, so super fast. And it's really exciting. I cannot wait to see what is inside, and I will share it with you. And I might know some of the brands, I might not know some of the brands, but the beauty of reselling is you have so much information available to be able to look up and research brands. So if I don't know all of them, I will look up the information and I'll pop up comps or maybe my listings on the side so you can see what the value of each item is. And I have no idea. It could be great and it could be terrible. I have not opened it yet. I'm super excited to do so. So let's get started and see what's in the box. Okay. This feels like Christmas. Okay. Wow, it doesn't look like very much in there. Oh, I see Tory Burch. Yay, Tory Burch. I love selling Tory Burch. So that is the first thing, and they show a little bit of wear, but not too much. The bottoms look good. So I'm already really happy. I will look up comps. I think what I'm going to do is I will list everything, time myself, tell you how long it takes to get everything listed, what I estimate that I will get back, and to let you know how valuable I think this box was. So yay, I'm super excited. Then Cole Haan. I love Cole Haan too. That's one of my favorite brands. It was the first brand that I bought that was really good quality, and I don't know how these will do for sure, but they look in good condition. I love the soft leather of Cole Haan. They are, let's see, a size 7B, so I think that's a pretty decent size. Let me see what size the Tory Burch are. If I can't find it right away, I will put it when I list it. I don't know. I will figure it out. And one thing that I do when I can't find a size on a shoe, I will look up the same shoes and look up someone else's listing and see where they found this shoe size. Okay. Oh, Levita something. I don't know. I'll use Google Lens. Watch this be something great and I have no clue. So nice stacked heel. They feel good quality. They feel like a good size. They're an 8.5, so we will see. So far, I am pretty happy. Then Vince Camuto, and I just recorded a what sold video, and I was saying how their swimsuits do great. And I had said the other day how I didn't do very well with their clothing, but someone said that they did well with shoes and something else. So now I get to test it out. So these look great. I like these. I would wear these myself. And these are a size, let's see, I don't know. So I will pop it up, but they kind of look like my size. These could be a keeper for me. So that's a win too. Then, Aldo. I think this is a pretty decent brand. They look like they have a little bit of wear though. These might not sell for a ton because they do have a little bit of wear, and this just doesn't look like a style that would be super expensive, but you never know. I will look it up and put it on the side. This is so much fun. Ooh, what are these? Oh, BCBG Max is, how do you say that? BCBG Mac, how do you say that? BCBG Mac, I'm not sure. BCBG Max Azria, I think that's how you say it. Those are kind of different. And they feel like suede. I have no idea how these will do. They look like a pretty decent size. They're not too teeny tiny. Boy, I'm having trouble finding sizes today. So we will see how those do. Those are kind of a fun style. Those might do well. Then we have Melrose and Market. I like these. These look cool. They feel like leather. I don't know the brand on these either. Let's see. They are all man-made material. size 8, made in China. So maybe they're not great. So we will see. There's going to be a lot of popping up of pumps on these. Okay, then another BCBG generation. Those might do okay. I might get my money back out of those. I don't think these will be like just a great seller, but I think I will get my money back. The bottoms don't look like they have much wear at all. They are an 8, it looks like, or 8.5. I can't quite tell. Then, okay, next, Steve Madden, a pair of strappy silver heels. I think these are super cute. Sydney actually has a pair that is almost just like this, and I love them and have borrowed them. Oh, but the back has some nicks in it. So they are not in great condition. They are size 8.5. So they might do okay. They're not going to bring a ton of money, but they might get my money back, maybe make a couple dollars. Oh, Toms. Toms can do okay. They look like they have a little bit of wear. Not too bad, but this is kind of a cool style. And they are a size 8. I'm getting lots of size 8s, which I'm happy with that. So they do show some wear. So, and what are these? Oh, wow, these are Joe's jeans shoes. I have not ever had, oh, I see another Tory Burch in there. I've never had a pair of Joe jeans shoes. Pretty good success with the jeans, so these are really cute. I like these. Look at the strappy. Those are adorable. I love those. Are those my size? Let's see. Leather upper, man-made sole. Oh, size 8.5. Well, size 8.5 is a good size though. I'd rather it be size 8.5 than my size. Then I spotted more Tory Burch. Yay! I have had good luck selling Tory Burch shoes. Oh wow, look at that. The back has the Tory Burch. And these, I bet I don't see the size in here either. I will have to do some research to figure out where to find the size. But yay! I'm very happy with those 2 pair of Tory Burch shoes. And what are these? There are a lot of words on here. Picolinos. Oh my gosh, I think I've heard of that. Picolinos? I know, somewhere I've heard a reseller talk about those. Maybe these are good. Oh, where have I heard that? It's somewhere in my brain. I'm hopeful for these. So cute, really soft leather. Look at the back. The bottoms barely have any wear. A size 40, which I believe is like a size 10. These might be good. Okay, I'm definitely going to have to do a lot of research and pop a lot of stuff up and let you know what these are worth. These are Sexy MM. I've not heard of that brand. Size 35, so these are teeny tiny. These are like a size 5 probably. Super cute. Oh, they match my outfit. I wonder if they would fit me. These might actually fit me. If they don't sell well, I'm keeping these. So cute, nice. Look at that heel. That's very unique. And I don't know. I will let you know when I find out more. Then the next one, oh, BKE from the Buckle. And these look like a teeny tiny size too. They have that embellishment at the top. They look in really nice condition. Oh, the other one does not look in really nice condition. It has a lot of loose pieces. So this one might not sell for very well at all. And it looks really small. Let's see what size it is. I cannot tell, but I'm guessing that is like a 5 or 5.5. And that is everything. And so I am really happy. I think this was a good haul. I don't think I'm going to make just tons of money on it, but if I double or triple my money, I don't think it will take much time at all to list. I'm going to go through and time everything, run comps on everything. I will show you what I think everything is going to sell for and my listing. Okay, I finished recording and then I started looking up comps, and this is why I watch what sold videos, because I knew when I heard this, Picolinos, I've never seen this brand before, had no familiarity with it, Yeah, I knew somewhere I had heard other resellers. The comps are great. There was one, I'll have to pop it up. One was for like 70, one was for 65, one was for like 33. So some really good comps. They are called the laceless shoe or something like that. So this is why I watch What Sold videos all the time. If I came across these at Goodwill or the bins, I'd be like, where have I heard that before? I know that's somewhere in my brain, and I probably would have looked them up and picked them up. And instead I got them in a ThredUP box, so I didn't have to have that information in my brain, but I did, and I am just really excited. And so now I'm going to look up everything else. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, bye. Okay, back again. Did I tell you I love my job? I looked at these, found several of them. I think I'll get $30 to $40 for these. Melrose and Market, I paid an average of like, I think each one ended up being $6 and something. I think this is going to turn out great. I am so excited. Yay, I'm ready to order another box. So stick with me, stay tuned. If you watch my weekly sold videos, if any of these shoes sell, I will be sure to put them in my What Sold videos, and I will have these up and listed within the next day. I will see you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh, I found an exact comp for these. Oh, what was it now? I think $65. Oh my gosh, there were a couple lower ones too for like 33, but they were different colors, and this one these are in excellent condition. They are the Joes in 8.5. I think I can get at least $50. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I love the ThredUP shoe rescue box. I will definitely do this again. So just on those 3 pair right there, I am super happy about those. And then I haven't even looked up the Tory Burch shoes yet. So it was great. Okay, that's it. No more. I've got to go to the grocery store. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I timed every step of the listing process, and it took me 3 hours and 32 minutes. Then I added in an additional hour to account for the time that it's going to take me to ship the shoes once they sell. So that is 4 hours and 32 minutes total. Then I added up how much I have all 15 pairs of shoes listed for, and that is $566, but I could accept offers all the way down to $403. Then I took out maximum fees and shipping discounts, and I should end up getting back $285.50 at the minimum, and that is a profit of $190.66, and that ends up that I am working at $42.22 an hour. And so I think that is great, and I am so happy with this rescue box. I've already sold 2 pairs, and if you watch my weekly What Sold videos, I will be sure and put these in there when they sell so you can see how much they actually sell for. And I've already ordered 2 more rescue boxes because this was so much fun.
So thank you so much for watching, and I will update you how these do. Have a great day. Bye.